Soldiers are the borders of any country, which stand erect to protect them from enemies. Welcome everyone. This is Abhinav Mohanty from DAB Chandrasekharpur, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, Class 7A. The great Captain Vikram Batra and my great soldiers motivate me to sacrifice myself for my Mother Earth and fighting with the enemy till my last breath and not letting any enemy outsider to enter my country border without fear and thinking about me. My aim will be to dedicate my devotion towards my country. And the other thing is not to leak our secret information anywhere except me. I will also get dead, but not leak or send any information to any outsider. I will face every situation and help them to come out of it, even I need to sacrifice myself. I will never let my country's reputation down by doing cowardness. I will try to train myself that way so that I can be a one-man army so that I can defeat large number of enemies with less time to complete my mission with my teammates. I will never use my powers in personal matters except duty. I will remember all the great persons who sacrificed their lives to protect our country from Britishers and share their incidents to children and youth of growing India so that they can be motivated towards joining the forces. In all situations, I will not be scared and face the situation bravely. I will always keep faith in God and also remaining away from family is difficult thing, but I will focus on duty. I can understand the hard work of duty in cold areas where the temperature is about minus 50 degrees Celsius, the coldest temperature. That's why I should make myself capable of to maintain this climate in my body. And also like in high temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius in the areas of Thar desert in Gujarat. In festivals, the soldier couldn't celebrate their family members, but their team is just like a family. I will also try to keep this spirit in me. Not only thinking of these things, I will study and work hard to get in the forces of India. I will also never ever take money to complete the process of illegal and wrong works. I will never come back, always speak for the wrong things happening in community. I will never be absent-minded while the teachings and holding of the weapons. Also anything wrong could happen. I will always first learn and then try to do it. Not be oversmart that I can do it without teaching. I will not keep any difference in religion or caste in any soldier. Also, they staying 24 into 7 time alert as they don't have timetable. I will also just keep this spirit with me. And these all things motivates me to be like Captain Vikram Batra and all my other great Indian soldiers. Thank you.